Dear children, today's topic is structure of ionic solids. In that one, we are going to discuss structure of cesium chloride. In the last class, we have discussed structure of sodium chloride and tetrahedral site, octahedral sites. And today we are going to discuss structure of cesium chloride. Cesium chloride ionizes as cesium plus and Cl minus, and the radius ratio of the cation and anion RCS plus divided by RCl minus equal to 0.884. That means the radius ratio is in the range of 0.732 to 1. So cesium chloride is having cubic structure. Cesium chloride is having body-centered cubic structure. That means atom will be present at the corner and the center of the cube. And here we know, compared to lithium, sodium and potassium, the atomic size of cesium is higher. So cesium and chlorine are having almost the same size. So the halides of lithium, sodium, potassium do not form the same type of lattice as cesium chloride. Sodium chloride we have discussed in the last class. Sodium chloride structure is different from that of cesium chloride. Even though both are alkali metals and both are halides, sodium chloride structure is entirely different from cesium chloride. This is because the size of cesium atom is comparable with that of chloride ion. So cesium cannot be occupied like how the sodium ions are occupying in the cubic lattice. The radius ratio of halides of alkali metals lies between 0.414 and 0.732. That means the halides of lithium, sodium, potassium, the radius ratio will be in this range. But for cesium chloride, the radius ratio is 0.884. This is because of higher size of cesium plus, because the size of cesium plus is comparable with that of chloride ion. So as the cation size increases, the radius ratio also will be increases. So cesium chloride is having body-centered cubic structure, and the coordination number of cesium chloride will be higher compared to that of sodium chloride, because the sodium chloride, the radius ratio is smaller. It is an octahedral shape, so octahedral arrangement coordination number is only 6, but for cesium chloride arrangement it is a cubic structure, so the coordination number will be higher. Now let us discuss the structure of cesium chloride. In the structure of cesium chloride, chloride ions occupy all the corners, because chloride ions is having simple cubic structure. That means it will be in the corners, and the cesium ion occupy in the body center. So we will draw here. Chloride ions occupy all the corners. So for a cube, 8 corners are there. So chloride ions will be in all the corners. So total 8 corners are there. So chloride ions all the corners, and the cesium ion occupy in the body center. So cesium ion, so here we can mention this one is Cl minus and this circle is cesium plus. So cesium ion is in the center and the chloride ions are all the corners. So here each chloride ion will be in touch with this cesium ion. So here a cesium ion is in contact with 8 chloride ions. Now we will determine the number of atoms per unit cell of cesium plus ion. So with respect to chloride ion, what is the number of atoms per unit cell of cesium ion? So we know cesium ion is in the center of the cube. So only one cesium ion is there in one unit cell. So the total number is 1. Then we will find the number of atoms per unit cell of chloride ion. Chloride ions are present at all the 8 corners, and we have already discussed each corner atom is shared with 8 other cubes. So the contribution to each corner is only 1 by 8. So total 8 1 by 8 is there. So the total number of atoms per unit cell of Cl minus ion is 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1. So number of atoms per unit cell of cesium ion is 1. Number of atoms per unit cell of chloride ion also 1. Therefore the number of atoms per unit cell of cesium chloride is 1. Now let us discuss the coordination number of cesium ion and the coordination number of Cl minus ion. So coordination number of cesium ion means each cesium atom is in touch with how many nearest chloride ions. Coordination number of chloride ion is each chloride is in touch with how many cesium ion. So first let us discuss the coordination number of cesium ion. So this is the cesium chloride cubic structure. Here I have given 4 cubes. 2 cubes in the first layer and 2 cubes in the second layer. So here now we will take 1 cube. In this 1 cube, the corner atoms are chloride ion and the cesium atom is in the center. So this one is repeating for all these 4 cubes. So when you are considering this cesium ion, this body center cesium ion is in touch with 8 chloride ion from the corners. So each cesium atom is surrounded with 8 Cl minus ions from the corners. So what will be the coordination number of cesium ion? The coordination number of cesium ion will be 8 because each cesium atom in the body center will be in contact with 8 corner chloride ions. Now let us discuss what is the coordination number of chloride ions. We know chloride ion is in the corner and we have already discussed each corner atom will be shared with 8 other cubes. So for 8 cubes, one corner will be there. Common corner will be the this corner will be common for 8 cubes. So here I have drawn 4 cubes. So suppose 4 cubes in the back side and same like here 4 cubes we will put in the front side. So total first layer 4 cubes and the second layer also 4 cubes. So now we will take this corner atom. This one is the Cl minus ion. This Cl minus ion, how many nearest cesium ion is there? So this backside layer, this backside is this one and front also same like here it will repeat. Means same like here we will repeat another cube. So here another cube down like this it will be there. Then here also another cube like down it will be there. So same like up also. Means first layer 4 cubes and the above also another cube will be there. Now you see here I have drawn 2 more cubes in the front also. Now you see this one is front 1 cube. This one is front second cube. And this one is back side of that one another cube and back side of this one another cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are in the first row. Second row this one, above this one this is another cube, above this cube this is another cube and above this one this cube and above this cube another one. So total 8 cubes are here. Now we see if you are taking this corner atom, this corner atom will be touching with 8 other cesium ion. So one cesium ion from 1 cube, another cesium ion, so this chlorine atom from one cesium from 1 cube, then second cesium from second cube, third cesium from third cube, like that. So total 6 cesium atoms are here. This one for this front cube, this one for this back cube, and this one is for this front and this one is for this back cube of the second rows. So first row also like that 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 total here, total 4 here, total 8 cubes are there. So this corner atom, this corner is common for all these 8 cubes. So here each corner atom will be touching with 8 other cesium ions. So for this corner atom, front again this cubes will be repeating. So each corner atom will be shared with 8 other cubes. So each other cubes will be having one cesium ion in the center. So this chloride ion will be touching with 8 other cesium ion. Therefore the coordination number of chloride ion is also 8. So now we have discussed number of atoms per unit cell of cesium chloride, then the coordination number of cesium ion and chloride ion. Now we will discuss the body diagonal of this cube. So body diagonal we have already discussed from upper one corner to the opposite lower corner is the body diagonal. So how we can draw here from this point to the lower opposite corner. So we will draw the body diagonal like this from here to here. So this is the body diagonal. So now we will measure the body diagonal of this one. So for measuring the body diagonal, first we will draw the face diagonal. So this angle will be 90 degree. We have already discussed this one in the structure of sodium chloride. So this body diagonal will be measured using this length. So first we will give the names A, B, C. Now this AC square plus BC square equal to AB square. So body diagonal can be measured using this AC and BC. We know the length of BC is A because it is the edge length of the cube. So how we can find this AC? For that one we know here it is A, here it is A. So root of A square plus A square is AC. So root 2A is the face diagonal. So if you know this AC and if we know BC, we can find out AB. So root 2A the whole square plus A square, that means root 3A square or root 3A. Root of 3A square or root 3A is the body diagonal of the cube. So this is the body diagonal. In the body diagonal we know here one corner chloride ion is there. Here one chloride ion is there and the cesium ion is in the body center. So in the body diagonal, here chloride ion, this part also chloride ion, and here one cesium ion is there. So this one, this half of this radius is there. Half of this radius of Cl minus is there in the corner. So here this corner atom, it will be like the sphere. So half of that diameter or radius will be inside the cube and other half will be outside. But for cesium ion is completely inside the cube. So here we can measure radius of anion is R minus and here it is complete cesium ion. So it's a diameter. So we can write it as R plus, again R plus, and the chloride ion is R minus. So here 2R minus plus 2R plus is this body diagonal. So this body diagonal from this point to this point, we already wrote it as root 3A. So root 3A is 2R plus 2R minus. So body diagonal is root 3A, 2R plus 2R minus equal to root 3A. Therefore R plus R minus equal to root 3A divided by 2. So we have got R plus R minus equal to root 3A by 2. So if this is a body diagonal, here this one is R minus and this is R plus. So R plus R minus is this distance. This distance is half of this body diagonal. So this distance of closest approach of R minus plus R plus is root 3A by 2. So cesium bromide, cesium iodide, tellurium bromide, etc. are having the same structure of cesium chloride, and we know here cesium chloride, the coordination number of cesium ion and chloride ion is 8. But for other halide ions like sodium, potassium chloride, etc., the coordination number is only 6. The difference is that here sodium chloride cannot be having coordination number 8. If the sodium chloride is having the coordination number 8, we know size of sodium is very small. So if 8 chlorine atoms are surrounding this small sodium ion, the repulsion will be higher and this will again change into the stable coordination number of 6. But for cesium chloride ion, coordination number 8 is stable because the size of cesium ion is higher. It is comparable with chloride ion, so the repulsion with chloride ions will be lower because the size of cesium ion will be higher. That is why cesium chloride can be having coordination number 8 while sodium chloride or potassium chloride will be having coordination number 6 because the radius ratio of sodium chloride will be lower compared to the radius ratio of cesium chloride. Dear students, I hope the structure of cesium chloride is clear. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.